Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add a shortcut widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we go back to the main Settings page, and then we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. After that, tap on the left panel and then tap on the widget panel at the top here, just right under the clock. And because I have some widgets in here already, I'm going to delete them first. And then we scroll down and tap on Shortcuts. Next, tap on the small shortcut widget to add it to your widget panel. Now you can add one or multiple shortcut widget to the widget panel. You are allowed to have up to a maximum of 4 small size widgets. After that, you can tap on the shortcut widget, and from the shortcut list in here, you can choose a shortcut to use. So depending on how many shortcuts you have created, the list may be a short one or a long one. So here I have created a 5-minute timer shortcut, so I'm going to tap on that and then tap on the close button. Now, unfortunately, all of the shortcuts here look very similar. It does not allow you to choose a different icon, or it does not allow you to add text to it. So it can be a little bit confusing if you're adding a lot of the same shortcut widget to the same panel. So here the first widget is the 5-minute timer. So if I tap on that, so I have to tap on done. I need to go back to my lock screen. And on my lock screen here, I can tap on it to start the timer. So you can see when I tap on it, it will start the timer. Okay, so with the other one, I haven't set it, so I need to assign a shortcut to this icon. Okay, so if I go back into my device, and if I go into my app library, so swipe across until you go to app library, and here you can type in shortcut. So tap on shortcuts and open it, and from here you can create a new shortcut. So I'm going to tap on all shortcuts. And then at the top, tap on the add button. And here, if you want to add in a new shortcut, you can do so. Now, there are quite a lot of shortcuts already pre-built for you. You can choose scripting, so you can create your own shortcut script. You can choose from the control shortcut. So here we can set silent mode, open up flashlight, shut down the device, change the volume, and a lot of the things you can go through the menu here and choose what you want to do. And we got device here, what to do with the device, get device details, get battery status, and a lot of other information. So let's just do something simple. Let's say you want to have a shortcut to open up the calculator. So here we choose calculate. So you can perform, say, a number plus a number, so that when you run a shortcut, it will bring up the calculator with that equation. So tap on done, or you can tap on number here and enter in the number, or you can choose select variable or ask each time. So we ask for a number plus ask for another number. So ask each time, or using a clipboard or device detail, or we choose another shortcut input. So the shortcut can be complicated once you delve into depth of these shortcuts. So here I choose 5 and then tap on done. So that's one shortcut. Calculate. If you need to make changes to the shortcut, you can tap on this circle button. At the top here, you can tap on the drop down and then tap on rename. So you can rename your shortcut. So calculate, say 2 numbers. So we'll give it a name. And tap on done. Then tap on done. And you can also choose the icon. You can move. You can add it to your home screen and so on. Okay, so that's one of the shortcuts. Another one, so I'll just delete this one here. So I'll delete that one and I'll create a new one. So add a new one. Let's say you want to choose a timer. So timer. So we can start a timer, resume timer, pause, get current timer, or cancel timer. So we say we're going to create a new timer and duration. You can set the duration or the minutes. So the duration is say 3 minutes. And we start timer. Let's just try something else, maybe seconds. So 3 seconds and then tap on done. Now again, so we can change the name of the shortcut so that we can easily remember it. So we name this one as 3-second timer. Okay, I just need to add a space in here and then tap on done. Then tap on done, and then now we can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now we go into settings. If I can find settings here on my home screen, then go into wallpaper and then customize. Here on my second shortcut, I will now assign. So I tap on it again, and then I would set 3 seconds timer, and then I'll close that, then tap on done, and then go back to my lock screen. And here you can see if I tap on it, it will start a 3-second timer. And that's it. So that is how you can add a shortcut to your lock screen and assign a particular shortcut to this shortcut icon. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now again, you cannot change the icon. So yes, it can be confusing because they all have the same icons. You don't know which is which. You just have to kind of remember what the first icon do and what the second one do. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.